Hey guys, broken solar panel here. Summer's rolling in, and my box fan here is broken at the worst possible time. And I'm out of this oil. Here, let me show you what's wrong with it. I'm going to turn on the high setting. Ugh. Hear that? And just notice how it came straight to a halt like that. And that creak. Just terrible. I was going to use this 3-in-1 oil and I was going to take the motor apart and fix it, but I'm out of this oil because I used a lot of it on my Mini Thunderbolt trying to get the rotator box not to break itself. Yes, the handle is also snapped perfectly in half. I can just super glue that back together again. Let me try to turn it on the low setting. Oh god. Poor thing. Medium. High. Off. Just comes to a complete halt. Okay, I have the fan all apart. The back bearing is perfectly fine. All the coils are alright. But the front bearing, it was like really messy, like really sticky. Get better light. See all the goop on there? I think you can. This camera's crap. There's a whole bunch of goop on there. You need to clean that off. Just bought some 3-in-1 oil. 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. So first I'm going to go ahead and use this wet paper towel to clean up the axle of this rotor roops. Look at that. Now I need to shove that to here. Look at all that. Time for the oil. I just go ahead and put some in the bearing here. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and put this thing back together again. It's pretty good. Nice and slippery. And slide that back on. Let's stand it up. Or the motor. Nice, smooth. Let's plug it in. Yeah, crap. It's capped off. That's way better. Put the blades back on. Plug it. Alright, just put the blades back on. They spin pretty good now. So let's plug it in and find out how well it works. That power bar. Crap sometimes. I'll probably fix this next. Start on low just to start it off easy. Just put on medium. Now finally high. Should be alright. Alright, let's put this thing back together again. Alright, box fans back together. Let's see how this thing runs. Ow! Medium setting. Low setting. Off. That wind down is a lot longer than it used to be. And I used 3-in-1 long-lasting oil. So hopefully this will actually last long. Now I'm going to fix this handle, but I don't really feel like I need to see a video of me doing that, so Rogan Solar Panel signing off.